Alright guys, it's time to review the kit. See the TOMEI, right? What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Currently on the road, I'm with Chris. Shout out to him. He was already at work and he's gonna bring me to go get my car. Currently uploading a video for you guys. The screen is black, but I'm sure enough uploading a video. Yeah, I'm hoping that the car's gonna be ready right now. I have two parts that I was missing. Pretty much, you got a 3 to 4 inch exhaust adapter. Then we got a V-band. Pretty much all we needed. Last minute. Yeah guys, a lot of you guys have asked me how much is it to boost your car, how much is it to build your car. I can't really give you the exact price sometimes because sometimes little stuff like this adds up. Like there's been like 3 videos where I buy little stuff that I didn't expect to buy or expect to need to buy, but I had to. It all, how can I say this? I feel like it all depends on the person. Sometimes you may be able to spend less, sometimes you may be able to have to spend more. All depends on your car and what you're trying to do. So that's why it's kind of hard to give an exact price.
Is that JZ33? Oh.
So yeah guys, me and Chris are on the way to the shop. We went ahead and picked up this homeless man, needed a ride.
I like my lips.
Yeah, he's a little weird. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give him a ride to this McDonald's. I guess he's hungry. Gotta, you know, take care of the...
Oh, that's clean, bro.
Point more. You didn't see him.
Buying more parts.
It's like we build cars right here at home, right?
This dude should be sponsored.
That's our go-to spot.
This dude gets his piping from Alrighties. The owner of the car that's sitting here abandoned. Why is it abandoned?
Oh damn. It's not black right there. Where is it? Oh, right here. New engine right there.
I actually want to buy this engine, guys. The 1.5 JZ. Must be nice. Anyways, why is your car here, bro?
I'm putting the RB26 on this.
That's not RB26.
RB. Here's some new valve covers. This is my spare block. 1,000 horsepower.
Alright guys, so I'm sitting here thinking, I haven't shown you guys the kit yet. I mean, this video I'm gonna... Wow, I can't even talk anymore. Alright guys, it's time to review the kit. See the TOMEI, right? Hello. Custom TOMEI rear mount.
Actually doesn't look that bad.
I'm speechless. Is this the world's first TOMEI rear mount? I can't wait to see how it sounds. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I'm gonna let him start it. This thing literally sounds like when I was an 8, bro. Wow. Crazy with the 2 rear mount Z's. Guys, I'm so happy I don't even know like what to say. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this as angle as possible. I'll pick up the camera right now. This thing sounds freaking insane, guys. I just don't want to give it too much gas. But this thing sounds like a freaking RB or a freaking 2J, dude. You guys can't really hear it. It's because I'm kind of scared to give it gas. came to pump some corn real quick. This thing sounds so sick. Like there's no rasp, no VQ rasp. Like oh my god, this thing is literally freaking perfect, dude. It sounds like a G, I don't know, it sounds like an RB to me, or like a 2JZ. I don't know. I don't know if I'm liking how much it's taking out, but we're probably gonna push it in more once I take it back. Yeah guys, back with the TOMEI. I love it. Go ahead and pump some E. Guys, there's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and record the first cold start with the TOMEI. Let's see how this thing sounds. Back at the shop. I'm gonna modify something a little bit.
Alex.
Brandon. Anyways, I'm gonna modify something really quick. So far, dude, the car runs perfect. I don't think the car's ran this good in over a year. Once it's back up, I'm gonna go ahead and get like a little montage for you guys so you guys can see the kit in depth. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this part done. All right guys, so the little modification is done. Guys, got back from a couple of pulls on the street. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the kit, like I promised. So it is still a rear mount turbo kit. I now have a filter. A lot of you guys were giving me shit about that. So it's literally custom to a TOMEI, bro. Fully custom. This was literally a dream of mine. We were able to do it. I think it's insane. World's first 350Z with the TOMEI. Not with the TOMEI, with the rear mount with the TOMEI. I think it's insane, guys, and it sounds very good. You guys already heard it. Once I get home, I'll probably record a little bit more. I'll probably go to like a parking structure or something so you guys can see it even more. Yeah, let's go ahead and go home. Really quick, just because I have my car with the light on it. Let me show you guys the kit yet again. All custom work done in-house. So what it is literally custom piping out of the turbo, welded onto the TOMEI. Got a bigger 4-corner turbo on it with the air filter, like a lot of you guys had told me to get. The only other reason I didn't get it for the other turbos because I don't really care. But this one, I do want to do it right. It's the beginning. Yeah, guys, I mean, this is my turbo kit. Maybe some of you guys thought it was a little mid-mount kit. I was trying to do something a little different, something that hasn't really been done before. And yeah, guys, I mean, this thing is fucking sick. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and close out the video right here. But before I close it out, I just want to say that this kit was actually something that I had in mind probably a little less than a year ago. No, probably like 6 to 8 months. I actually didn't know if it was possible or not. I remember talking to my tuner, which is the same guy that did this kit. By the way, his ad is right here. Shout out to him. Did a fantastic job, honestly. Couldn't have asked for a better job. Like legit, like not just because he's my tuner, not just because he's my homie, like legit, bro, he got down on this. If you guys need any fabrication work, any tuning, if you want to build your motor, anything, he could do it all, bro. To be honest, he's a very talented person. His ad is right here. Let him know I sent you. But yeah, guys, honestly, I'm very, very happy with how it sounds, with how it performs. Next video will be us street tuning the car. The car, according to our butt dyno, made a lot more power. It's making a lot, like significantly a lot more power than the the previous tune did. If I do want to keep this power though, to keep it safe, I'm gonna upgrade a few parts. Not the motor, just pretty much I'm maxing out my fuel setup, so I'm gonna change that up and a few other little things. But yeah, guys, honestly, I'm very, like I said, I'm very happy. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and enjoyed the new setup. I know some of you guys were thinking I was gonna go top mount, I was gonna go mid mount. Like I said, I wanted to do something different, something that has never really been done before, not that I know of at least. And something that I just used to literally dream about. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys did, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys will be whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.